Today I'm going to be ceramic coating my personal vehicle, but this is not a how-to guide on how to ceramic coat. To be honest with you, this is my first time ceramic coating. This video is to document me learning to ceramic coat so I could deliver the service to customers and give them the best results possible. To ceramic coat, it's going to be a pretty long process. As you can see here, I have all the equipment laid out. First, I'm going to hand wash the vehicle. Then I'm going to decontaminate the paint with this clay towel. Then I'm going to remove the iron with this iron remover. After that, I dry the vehicle, and from there, I'm going to bring it inside the garage, and we're going to polish the paint, prepare the paint for the ceramic coat with this paint prep from P&S, and finally, apply the ceramic coat. Okay, I'm all done with washing, decontaminating the paint. So now I'm going to move on to a one-step correction, and then we're going to get into the ceramic coating. Paint is all polished and ready for the ceramic coating. So I'm going to be applying it with this applicator, and then I'm going to be using 2 towels to level the coating and then buff the coating off. This coating you leave on the paint for 5 minutes, and then it's going to start to sweat, and that's how you know it's ready to be leveled and buffed off. Okay, I'm going to shake the coating for 30 seconds, following the instructions. Alright, I'm going to apply a liberal amount for the first coat of the applicator, and I'm going to go ahead and begin to apply in a cross hatch pattern. I'm going to square out where I'm going to apply, back and forth. Okay, looking good. Now that's going to cure for 5 minutes on there. And while that 5 minutes is going, I'm going to move on to another square and apply there. Okay, see the first square I did starting to beat up as it should be. I think I'm going to give it another minute, and then we're going to buff that part off. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and buff off this first square. First level out the coating here. And then come in with the final buffing towel. Looking good. Very smooth. See, do one more square over here and then start buffing off the other patches. Okay, gonna buff off the next area I did. Very good. All right, this side of the hood is pretty much done. I'm gonna go around the whole vehicle and I'll check back when it's done. Just finished up this ceramic coating. Paint looks great, super glossy, super shiny. I'll be back tomorrow to test how hydrophobic it is and how the water beads off. Now it's the next day, the coating is fully set on the paint. Now let's test how well water beads off of it. All right, let's test how hydrophobic this is. Ooh, beautiful. Water is just falling right off. That's awesome. Now the paint's gonna be super easy to maintain. I could even use a leaf blower to dry it off. Gotta be sure to use a pH neutral car shampoo to not damage the coating at all. As long as I do all that, this will last for years. As you can tell, water's beating off just fine. Paint looks awesome. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll have some of the equipment I used linked in the description if you want to check any of that out. Thank you.